The 2025 Nissan Sentra is now available for purchase, offering a combination of advanced safety technologies, a fuel-efficient powertrain, and a bold design. With a manufacturer's suggested retail price beginning at $21,590, the Sentra is one of 6 Nissan models with an entry price under $30,000. Updated for the 2024 model year, the Sentra features a refreshed exterior and enhanced technology offerings. Available in 3 well-equipped versions, S, SV, and the Sporty SR, every Sentra includes convenient connectivity with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The S model features a 7-inch touchscreen, while the SV and SR models upgrade to an 8-inch display. Safety is a priority with the Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite, which includes 6 advanced driver assist systems such as automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and blind spot warning. Powering the Sentra is a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that delivers 149 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque, paired with an Xtronic continuously variable transmission designed for smooth acceleration. The SV model offers additional features, while the SR model enhances style with 18-inch wheels and optional two-tone paint. All models are backed by the Nissan Maintenance Care program, ensuring convenience with up to 3 oil changes within 2 years or 24,000 miles.